We've arrived at the Holy Terrace here in Forest Lawn, Glendale. Now, it was Michael Jackson's birthday last month. Let's go and see what's left there. Some beautiful flowers there from Italy. Happy birthday, Michael, with love from Denmark and Sweden. Wow. Michael Jackson from Russia. Happy birthday, Michael. Incredible. Copenhagen. Dear Michael Jackson. Wow. There's some beautiful flowers. I mean, obviously they're disappearing in the heat now.
It was Michael Jackson's birthday. He would have been 66.
66 he would have been. Can you believe it?
So let's have a look what we've got here.
Love from somebody in Hong Kong. So his birthday was the 29th of August 2024.
There's all these little flowers here. There's still a lot of really
Just look at the hat there. Michael Jackson, greatest artist in the world. And just a stunning view. Just so sad, but beautiful, beautiful flowers. Michael, always in our hearts. Donna and Julie, Australia. This one's global Michael Jackson. I'm just going to take you around the back of the Holy Terrace so we can get a clear shot to where Michael is. We've arrived. So Michael Jackson, beyond the stained glass windows there, he is entombed right there. So you can't believe the other side of that wall there, that is where Michael Jackson is laid to rest, the king of pop. Right there. Yeah, Michael, wow. And you can see here, right below his tomb, there are more flowers left in respect for Michael Jackson. That is right there. How you doing? We've seen you on a lot of the videos.
Oh, I'm on Facebook Live right now.
Oh, you're on live now.
Okay. That's all right.
Yeah. Yeah, we've seen you on the GIV videos.
Oh,
and
yeah. He's in Germany now.
He is.
Yeah.
Yeah, we spoke to him today.
Oh,
Actually.
really? Oh, tell him I
Yeah.
said hi. He'll know where I'm at.
Yeah.
Good seeing you guys. Yeah, you guys. So next year there's an 8-part. Where are you guys from?
We're from England.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to talk? Or am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, you guys.
Whoops.
We've got some friends of German and Venice are in the house from England.
We are all the way. I'm Daryl and Glynn.
Glynn, yeah, we know.
How you guys doing? Good.
We're really good. So the German in Venice actually influenced us to do YouTube,
Sure.
and we always come and pay our respects to Michael, and the flowers have been left this time.
June and August, it should look like that all the time, but
Yeah.
June 25th and August 29th especially.
It always looks like that.
It's always like that.
Yeah.
When we come last time, about a week after, all the flowers were gone, but it's good to see that they.
About a 7-day. You see how the sun.
It just bakes down on them.
There's no shade. There's nothing.
Yeah.
And these are the ones. If you order through Forest Lawn, they bring those inside.
Yeah.
If you order anywhere else, they stay outside.
Yeah.
And then usually 7 to 10 days at the most, depending on it. It's been sun and hot for the past week, so
Yeah.
they're kind of, but yeah.
So this is.
We have a little place in the back. Did you see?
Yeah, I've just been round there.
Yeah, all the flowers
Used to
and.
be secret, but now we do it online. But it's kind of good because that's like the real fans go back there. So
that's really good there.
That's the closest you can get. That's where he's literally right behind those.
Yeah, it's locked doors, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
You can only get in if you're family.
Yeah, or you have a crypt in there.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. It's a beautiful place, and.
Did you get to see Elizabeth Taylor's inside here?
Yeah.
And they might not let you film though.
No.
Get it carefully, and then Joseph's up the hill, and Sammy Davis Jr., Walt Disney, a bunch of.
They're all up there.
Yeah, you can get a map at the guard check when you walk in if you want to go around. And some of the places are locked, you can't get in.
Yeah.
Well,
some places you can.
We're on camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some places you can.
Yeah. So how many are watching this from around the world at the moment?
We got 42 right now. Usually most people are working, so by the time I post it and share it, then.
Yeah.
So what's this actually on? Is this on?
This is on Facebook Live.
Facebook Live.
My page, then I'll transfer it to YouTube Live if we don't get blocked. Like I always play music. I try not the channel isn't monetized, so I can play Michael's music, but if you play too much, then the video gets blocked. So there's that fine line between.
Yeah.
So I usually transfer this over to the YouTube page, but.
Yeah, we can't play music because obviously we're monetized.
Right.
Yeah.
It seems.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it, but I'd rather hear his, music.
It's proper music. Yeah.
Especially when we're here, but
yeah. Well, I'll give you our card.
Oh yeah, sure, okay.
That's our card.
Tell the GIV. What should be my name? RIG. I'll be RIG. Ron and Glenn.
Yeah.
Tell GIV RIG. Said.
Well, we are.
Who are you guys?
So we are Daryl Pritchard Videos. So you can find us on YouTube.
Okay.
We do a lot of videos here in Los Angeles.
Oh.
You
live here or you live?
We live in England,
Oh, you live in England?
but this is like our second home. We've been coming here since 1988.
Oh, wow.
We love the place.
Yeah.
And we like to come to special places, like this. So, yeah.
Have you been to Las Vegas for his birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So Las Vegas, we did the at the Mandalay Bay. Yeah. So that was really good. Last August.
Wednesday. No.
And
You haven't been this year.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we went the year before, and it was really good.
We're
So.
having a big party if you come next year. Next year's birthday's on a Friday.
Yeah.
So it's going to be, unless the Jacksons are in concert like they were this past Saturday and this past Friday. So I was here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then I had to drive to Vegas Wednesday, Thursday. Then back here.
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'm still here for now. But we're having a big party the Thursday before his birthday.
Wow.
The Mandalay Bay, we're going to have a big room rented out, and we're going to have a whole bunch.
You're going to have a really, really good time.
A bunch of guests that
Yeah.
you know of, you'll know the names.
So you met Michael Jackson, yeah?
No.
You've never met him? No. Wow.
21 concerts, but never met him.
No.
So you were there at the concerts, and
The third row was the closest.
yeah. But you're keeping him alive now, aren't you? And
Yeah, we tried.
you should be very proud of what you're doing, you know.
Well, look, you guys too. I mean, everybody.
Yeah.
With the technology now, it's easier, right? We can.
Yeah.
We can do it.
And we reach out to people that'll never get the chance to come here. So.
Yeah.
I don't take it for granted.
No.
Because, I get messages from people from little countries that I have to go to Google Maps and.
Yeah.
I don't even know where it is. Like,
Yeah.
you see like a little village or something. There's a Michael Jackson fan.
Well, we've got one of our subscribers in England who's actually asked us to do this, hasn't he?
Yeah. To come and look at the flowers and yeah.
I've been trying to do that to coordinate like CNN does on New Year's Eve, right? When the fireworks go, like they go from Australia to Japan to China.
Yeah.
Like we should be able to.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Zoom or something, but it never seems to.
Never seems to work.
What I have done as well, I've actually filmed as we were coming in, so I've showed people how to get here.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Yeah.
a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right from the gate to
Right.
here.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
And just explained where we were going as we were doing that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Very
Look,
good.
we all play our little part, right? And you never know who we influence. You know.
No.
German in Venice. I met him. He was sitting right there.
Yeah.
Right there. And
He
you know who we. Yeah. Show him. He'll know. That post right there.
Yeah.
That's right where he was the first time. I don't think he had 1,000 subscribers. And we just talked, you know, I was in the thing and he says, can I interview you? Yes, oh, you're a super Michael Jackson fan. And then we started doing flowers and we went to Neverland one Christmas. We put people's names on a Christmas tree at the gates.
Yeah.
And then ever since then, so now all those flowers back there are from our, you know, are from our group. So it started with him, me and him just doing this on like a whim. I said, why don't we get a tree and go up there and put like one person from each country.
And that's what you did.
Evolved, yeah, and he, you know, his YouTube channel just skyrocketed. I mean, so he's, yeah. Tell him shout out. I'm gonna be RIG, Ron and Glendale, GIV if you want. No, I'm just joking. All right, good to see you.
Lovely to meet you both, and yeah, lovely to have seen you. And goodbye everyone who's watching here in Los Angeles.
UK party next year. Scott Bloomer will be in contact with you.
Take care. Bye bye.